Hermes link, ice blue mink. Pat on my ribs like I do not know what permanent is.
It's me, your girl Lex. Did you miss me? I'm back. I'm bundled up now. As you can see, new season, new hairstyle. I'm so sorry that it has taken me a while. The last video I uploaded was in August. Embarrassing. Might have even been July, and it is now November. But I've been very busy this last month and a half, so I don't want to overwhelm myself too much because I've learned with life that you have to know how to prioritize and blah, blah, blah. But anyway, I'm still a Shea Moisture ambassador. I'm still a Sheabassador for 2018, but 2018 is almost over and I need to give y'all content. So that being said, I'm about to be in content overload these next 2 months. And if you have any questions, comments on what you want me to do, what you want to see, I'll see if I can dig, the best of, I'll do like the best of all my Shea boxes and see like what I liked, what I didn't like, and just get this going. We're not going out sad, okay? Like we're finishing the year. I'm going to be showing you guys the box that I got for October. That's another thing too, the boxes, there was a little bit of delays and whatnot, so we had to of course wait for everything to arrive and blah 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 blah. So that being said, like I said, let's get into October's box. So this month's box is called A Perfect Matcha, and the purpose of it, like I said, is a skincare box which helps restore balance and calm redness prone skin. Now, I don't like to call myself light skin and get into those terminologies. However, the reality is I do have lighter skin. And when we get into the colder months, my skin gets dry and red and weird. So this is definitely a box I'm interested in trying out. And what they included was the Transforming Clay to Cream Cleanser, which is basically like your soap. And this is going to help your skin feel soft and supple. Then what we have here is the Soothing, Hydrating Mist and Toner, which is, I feel like, is like the black soap toner that I swear by, which, again, Shea Moisture black soap toner. And I hope that it's like the sister toner, because what this is going to do now is alleviate redness, giving sensitive skin the TLC it deserves. You heard them? Deserves. Like, step your toner game up. Okay. Then lastly, we have the Soothing Eye Cream. Bam. And this Soothing Eye Cream is going to help depuff the under eye area with the cooling metal tip applicator. So like I said, when you're going through some stressful periods, you didn't get that much rest, whatever it is, allergies, blah blah blah, this eye cream is going to help eliminate all of that puffiness. And I'm definitely using it because, listen, we don't need raccoon eyes out here. I know I don't want you guys to, so I'm definitely excited to try that. So that being said, I'm going to get started and show you guys my step by step, and stay tuned.
I'm never washed, but I'm not new. I know I said top 5, but I'm top 2, and I'm not 2, and I got one. Thought you had one, but it's not one, nigga, no. Hermes link, ice blue mink. Pat on my wrist like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone. Wait for the kickers. Marry me now, and I only get bigger. That's word of my niggas.
So I am back, refreshed, clean, redness free. Let me take a sip of my water out of my Matcha Green Tea cup. And Shea Moisture literally gave us the tea, literally gave us the tea. And I can't wait to try it. It's a matcha green tea. I didn't realize matcha was like a thing, like it's a whole phenomenon. And I thought it was a flavor. I mean, it is a flavor, but for me, I'm more of a tea person over coffee, so I'm definitely interested in trying it because I love tea. Anyway, but back to the products. I like them. I definitely feel like it's a great alternative for the winter because the Clay to Cream Cleanser is almost like a mask, but it's a soap. So it was very lightweight. It was very easy to wipe off. You know, I think sometimes a mask, you let them dry and you're wiping and then that creates redness, ironically. So with this, it's like the same, you know, mask energy, but soap, you know, soap-like features, you know. And that's what I really liked about it, because I felt like it got like a lot of like excess oil. You know, I waited till the end of the day, so it got all of the dirt and whatnot off of my face. And then when I followed up with the mist, it's like the black soap toner that I use. Just got rid of the excess soap, you know, dirt, whatever, and that gave me the refreshing feeling. But with this, it's also supposed to like get rid of the redness. So the cleanser kind of cleans it, you know, it's like your base, and then the mist now is supposed to go back and like eliminate the redness and whatnot that you may have, you know, naturally. And then with the eye cream, honestly, I don't use the eye cream. I don't use eye creams at all. So when I use this one, I didn't have anything to compare it to. For the most part though, I like the consistency. All of the products, by the way, smell great. It wasn't, you know, perfumey though, like, you know, like it was like fake, you know, or it was like almost like a product that you buy from Bath and Body Works or something. For the most part, it smells just very naturally good. So that's a plus. And for the eye cream, yeah, like I said, like I don't use eye creams, so I didn't have anything to compare it to, but I did like the fact that it made me feel a little more rejuvenated. So I think like in the mornings it'll be helpful for me if I feel a little sluggish. Gives it a little like eye lift, you know. That's how I feel. I feel like I got a little eye lift. It doesn't have any like collagen or anything in it though, so that's the plus. So I know for sure that it could definitely be incorporated into my everyday skin regimen. Like I said, I didn't have anything to compare it to, so I'm just kind of basing it off of my first time usage. But I definitely would recommend it if you're looking for like a little more moisture here and getting rid of like, you know, any circles or whatever. I will have to use it over time to see if there's a difference. But again, I have no bad review sources. Overall, it's a great line. I do think that is helpful for the winter time. I think those who have redness, I will definitely keep you guys updated. Please leave any questions, comments, concerns, whatever. Subscribe if you like, tell a friend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Ice blue mink.